Hi, I'm Sandy and this is my husband Geoff. We're retired, we've renovated the rest of the house and this is our last project. And our plan was just to rip out all the old garden, completely replace everything. We had a fence and a garden bed over here and we've just got rid of the lot. And I've done an awful lot of research on everything over the last 12 months. And we went to local nurseries. We had prices ranging from about $12,000 to $25,000. But with any of the quotes, we were never really told what plants we were getting.
Figure-wise, we think we're about $8,000 better off.
It was probably about half what we expected. Just through my research, I came up with this on the Hello Hello site. And even though, you know, it's not around the corner, it's like a good hour drive, it was worth our going over there. And, you know, Chris's knowledge of the plants was fantastic, and an idea that I wanted a cottage garden, white, pink, mauve type of colour scheme, and Chris has basically done the rest. We're very, very happy with the results from that. Not only, you know, his help in the design, but the price that we got. This is what we've ended up with, beautiful garden.